Evaluations fast-track AI feedback, transforming development time from days to mere seconds.
What I thought was really cool is there used to be the saying in Silicon Valley, like fail fast, right? And what I found is that when you say fail fast to most people, that is not a positive thing, right? What you want to do is learn fast. And evaluations are all about learning fast.
Evals are effectively simulations of future feedback. And it's a pretty simple statement, but there's actually multiple layers to it. So if you think about the traditional product development cycle, and this is still true in the AI world, you build your product, you deploy it, you basically go out to all your different users, and they start getting feedback. So you'll get a trickle of emails, maybe support tickets, maybe thumbs up, thumbs down. There's lots of ways to get that feedback. You then look at those cases, and then you identify patterns of issues. You say, this is a cluster. You traditionally might have product manager or the CEO or whatever do that. And then based on that, you ship a new version of your product. Now, in the AI world, what ends up happening is you hope that that change you make fixes the issues you've seen and also doesn't break other users, because these systems are non-deterministic. What that means is if you use ChatGPT, you ask the same question twice and you get different answers. And so this process actually sucks. Like it takes on the order of, let's say, 10 days to wait for that feedback, or maybe even weeks or months, and you don't even know if you fixed it or broken it for someone else. And so what evals are is that inner loop. So we like to call it a scorecard, the sandbox before you deploy. So you think about, let me take all those issues I've seen, all the things customers have asked me. Let's say we've had a customer support chat and customers have said, hey, I want a refund. That is an input. And I basically change my system. Let's say I change my model, I change my prompt, et cetera. And then I run my evals and simulate, okay, would this user have been happy? And so that's, in a way, it's a proxy for the end user experience. You can never replace, of course, that final production monitoring, but this is where simulations are really helpful, and evals are really fast. It takes your process from 10 days to 30 seconds. So, I'm not the only one who says this. This has kind of become a thing. So Mike Krieger, CPO of Anthropic, if there's one thing we can teach people, it's that writing evals is probably the most important thing. Gary Tan, evals, so he's CEO of YC. Evals are emerging as the real moat for AI startups.